Hi everybody, so we have a special quarantine edition that we're super duper excited about. We are at Nourish in Savannah, Georgia. And guess what we're going to be doing today? We're going to be making our own masks and bath salt. And you're going to be here with us.
Because where else would you want to be?
Nowhere.
Exactly.
You ready? Okay, let's get into it.
All right.
So I already prepped these bowls. So this is our bowl for the face mask, and then this is our bowl for the bath salt.
Ready.
All right. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
All right. So you guys can decorate your name tags while I get all the other ingredients ready for you guys to mix together. And I'm gonna get like all of our tablespoons all set up and just my little like guide as I help you guys go through all of this as well. So, all right. We're gonna do the face mask first, and our first ingredient is gonna be the aloe vera. So we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of aloe vera, which is 4 tablespoons. I don't have a 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons into your bowl. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, that's the fun thing about it. All right. So that's our main base. And as you know, like aloe is just anti-inflammatory. It's good for any redness, irritation. It's just gonna calm anything in your skin down and make it nice and soft and smooth. So that's gonna be that first ingredient.
So I'm getting all of the moisture, you guys. I'm getting all the moisture, bringing down all the puffiness, and I'm ready.
All right. So then our second ingredient, and what makes this a clay mask, is gonna be our white Kaolin clay. And we're gonna do a 1/2 tablespoon. And Kaolin clay is just gonna help like cleanse your face, draw any toxins out of your pores, and it's just gonna help like make that nice clay consistency that'll dry to the touch. So like as I go, you can stir. It makes it more fun instead of just sitting there as I add all the ingredients. Yeah.
You add and stir at a certain pace,
these ones you can just keep going, yeah.
I was like, can we do all of this together? I'm cooking in the face kitchen. Cooking in the face kitchen. Okay.
Yeah, and clay is just like a gentle detoxifier, so like it's gonna draw all that moisture out. And then we're gonna add oatmeal flour. So oatmeal is just good for any sensitive skin that you might have. And so it's so gentle and soft. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. 1. And 2. Let's get it all out there.
So what is the difference between grinding oats to make oat powder and oatmeal flour? What is the difference?
It's the same thing. It's just super fine. Basically, like when I say flour, it's just the finest ground that you can get. So you can like take oats, if you don't have oatmeal flour, literally just grind them up in your blender or food processor, because especially with an organic mask like this, pieces of oatmeal aren't gonna harm your face because oatmeal is just good for sensitive skin. We like to make it as fine as possible when we mix it here in the kitchen, but you can do like make it yourself. Like you can add like maybe whole pieces of oatmeal and make it like a facial scrub instead. But we like the thin, like very fine, so that it's just an easy apply, thicker mask.
And it's looking really pasty. I'm getting good consistency. Granted, this is really making me think of pancakes. Like you guys know, when you put all the pancake mix together, you're sending up, you're blending it, you're mixing it, but you're trying to get all those clumps out so that when you actually make your pancakes, they're cooked all quicker. So this is making me think.
But you know, like people love like their banana pancakes, which are like a little bit thicker consistency, and that's what's fun about making this, is that you can make it the way you want to make it. So like this is our like recipe you can follow, but you can always have fun and make it yourself in whatever way that you know that works best for your skin. All right, and so now we're gonna add a fun ingredient called egg white powder. So the egg white powder is what makes this a little bit of a perishable mask. It lasts for about 2 weeks outside the refrigerator. But if you throw it in the refrigerator for the whole time you've had it, it'll last for about 3 weeks. You'll actually start to smell when it goes a little bad.
Good to know.
But egg white powder is just dehydrated egg whites. And so it's just the same reason why you eat eggs. But the egg white powder is going to have a protein in it. It's going to tighten your skin. Ooh, lighten, tighten, and brighten. That's what we say about the egg white powder.
Lighten, tighten, and brighten.
And here it goes.
Yeah. It's going to help any blackheads, any like large pores, shrink them up, and give them all that good, rich nutrient in there.
And then how age appropriate is this? Like I have an 11-year-old.
Yeah, it would be perfect for her. And I had a couple girls earlier today come and make one, and she was so excited because it was something that she could like make herself, and like, you know, she had fun making it and knowing like, oh, this is something I made, and it's not something I got from the grocery store or like Walmart. It's something that she like made herself, which was really fun. But now we're on to our last ingredient for the face mask, and then this is green tea powder or matcha powder. And so green tea just has all those natural antioxidants in there, and it's just gonna help like detoxify your face and give it a nice smell.
The amount?
So this is both the egg white powder and the green tea powder is 1/4 of a teaspoon. You can add more or less depending on like what you think your skin needs, but these are kind of like those base measurements for it as well. And it gives it a nice like natural color, a nice fun smell.
Feels like it's nice and earthy.
Yes, you guys, we're gonna drop the recipe for this below.
Yeah.
And we're gonna also tag a Nourish so that you guys can follow and check them out. They're dope.
So that is our face mask. And so you can wear this like for up to like I said, for 2 to 3 weeks. It's gonna dry to the touch because it is clay. And what I like to do with this one is I like to put it on before I get in the shower. So I know a lot of people like to do face masks after you get out of the shower.
I like counterintuitive.
Yeah, I like doing it before because so once it dries to the touch, I just hop in the shower and I just wash it off like a normal like face wash. Because all those ingredients are just going to be good for any part of your body, so you don't have to worry about it getting in all your nooks and crannies. So it's such a good face mask for that. And once it dries to the touch in about 5-10 minutes, you're all set to go.
Okay, awesome. And tell us one more time how long this product will last, the shelf life.
It's about 2 weeks, but if you throw it in your refrigerator or if you have like in your skincare fridges, it lasts for about another week, so up to about 3 weeks.
People have skincare fridges?
Yes, girl, I have one. It's real.
Well, but you make skincare products.
Yeah, it's real in these streets. Super fun. Thank you so much.
Face mask.
Yes, and let's take one more look at it. Oh, that came out beautiful.
It's ready. I was like, I got it nice and smooth, and I'm ready to put it in the jar.
It's looking good. Oh, wow. This is the finished product, you all. And Ams is just literally,
Gently spatula.
yeah.
This into the jar because I don't want to spill it.
Yes, that made a nice amount.
Yeah.
How many ounces is the jar?
Oh, that's a good question.
We're gonna find out how many ounces is the jar, you guys, really quickly, so that you know how much this creates, this recipe makes, yields.
I'm betting it's like 4.
Yeah, it looks like, honestly, about a 4
4
ounce.
ounce jars.
Well, it could be, well, yeah, that's a 4 ounce. It looks like a 4 ounces.
That sounds about like 4 or 5 ounces.
About 4 or 5 ounces, y'all. So this recipe, let's take a look at that. Yeah. You do this right quick, I'll show you.
Yep.
I don't even at all. Look at that. That looks amazing, you guys. And this is the face mask. So here's the recipe by Nourish. And now we're
Just
gonna,
peel it off.
yeah. Oh, look at
It's
that.
made by Amber J.
Yes. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's get a look at that once you tap. Yes. I love it.
Sunday activities.
Hey girl,